Wearing jewelry by Azwa. It's they're known for their very beautiful gold jewelry, and I think Azwa stands for something that is eternal, jewelry that is eternal, and I think their brand is eternal. And their collection is inspired by eternity and the whole concept of the seven vows of a wedding, which I think stand for something that is eternal. That bond that is eternal. So I think that bond with Azwa jewelry is eternal, and gold is very auspicious. It's another form of Devi. So I'm very happy to be associated with a brand like this.
अदिति, जब ये रैंप पे चलती हैं किस तरह की फीलिंग आती है? Do you feel nervous or do you feel excited when you come on the ramp?
I think if you have time, then you feel nervous. When you don't have time, then you just get on. But once I'm on the ramp, then I really enjoy it. It's great fun actually walking the ramp.
How do you see jewelry as a fashion statement?
Jewelry is a very important fashion statement because it can totally change the way that your garment looks. Today, in fact, I had picked an Arpita Mehta to wear for this event because I think that Arpita Mehta's garments are like jewelry. They're made like jewelry. So I thought that it would be an appropriate outfit to wear, especially also because it's kind of modern, but at the same time it's got a traditional element to it. So I thought that combined with Azwa jewelry would sort of give a nice touch to everything, because I think we are part of this modern generation and yet we go back to our roots and heritage when we look for jewelry. So I think it's a nice thing.
Adri, as you belong to a royal family, what is your fashion mantra? What are the things you always carry with you in terms of jewelry when we talk about jewelry?
Jewelry. I think for me, jewelry, the thing that I always have with me are a pair of solitaires because they're eternal and they're very beautiful. But apart from that, I like heirloom jewelry very much. I like jewelry that my great-grandmother's jewelry, my grandmother's jewelry that I can pass on. I think that kind of jewelry is the kind of jewelry that I really love. And the brand that I'm wearing today, I find that it's the kind of jewelry that you can cherish for like many generations. So I think Azwa has totally nailed that in their designs.
Thank you so much.